Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can reset virtual machine password in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on virtual machines. Here we have one running virtual machine with the name of VM10. Click on it. Now click on connect. Then click on RDP. Now here click on download RDP file. As you can see, our RDP file is downloaded. Click on open file. Now in username type username for this virtual machine, and in password type password. Then click OK. As you can see, even we are providing a correct password for this virtual machine, but this doesn't work. Most of the time we face this issue. How we can resolve this issue? For this, go to your virtual machine. Here scroll down to supports plus troubleshooting. Here you can find reset password tab. Click on it. In mod you can see two different options. First is reset password and second is reset configuration only. Choose reset password. In username type username for your virtual machine. In password, set a new password which you want for this virtual machine. After typing password, click on update. Here it will take few minutes. As you can see, our password reset successfully. Now again go to RDP session and type new password, then click OK. Now you can see we are successfully logged in with our virtual machine. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.